I want to thank each one of you for being part of the Colaba Conversation 2021. The annual conference, which was held in unique times in its first year, took a digital avatar. I hope you found it both engaging and engrossing. I would like to thank all the speakers and presenters who participated from across 20 countries over the past 2 days and have lent their expertise and perspective to the varied themes of this conference. I would like to begin with thanking Sri Sunjoy Joshi, Chairman, Observer Research Foundation, for his inspiring leadership in laying an institutional vision which is a guiding force behind Colaba Conversation. I would also like to thank Sri Aditya Thackeray, Minister for Environment and Climate Change and Tourism, Government of Maharashtra, and Dr. Samir Saran, President, Observer Research Foundation, for conceptualizing this important and extensive event and their leadership in putting this all together. I am also grateful to our co-host, Government of Maharashtra, our international partners, embassies and consulates for helping us establish this dialogue. I would also like to compliment my colleagues, Director of ORF Mumbai, Akshay Mathur, and Vice President Dhaval Desai for very ably leading from the front and inspiring all of us at every juncture. A special thank you to Tanobi and Pushan for being a constant source of support and guidance for us. Colaba Edits, a short-form publication, was brought out especially for this conference. I would like to recognize the efforts of my colleagues Aditi and Preeti for being able to rally in views and the written word from different continents for this special compendium. I would also like to commend our digital and outreach team, Ameya, Ami, Karan and Abhishek, for making sure that this program was made available across social media handles and ensuring a seamless access to our platform. I would like to appreciate the work of our designers, videographers and platform providers for bringing in the color and vigor into this conference. The digital format of this conference was exciting but logistically quite challenging. I would like to compliment my colleagues Shruti, Shashidhar, Ramit, Nilesh, Prithvi, Kashish and Kalpit for ensuring that all the logistics were worked out smoothly. Let me also thank all my other colleagues at ORF, all our interns and everyone else who contributed towards making this conference a reality. And finally, a big thank you to everyone who tuned in, and for those who couldn't, this program will be available across all of ORF's social media platforms from now. And that's a wrap for this year. See you next time for the Colaba Conversation. Till then, mask up, stay safe and good night.